Hello and welcome. Now in this video we are going to install the script for Turbo membership, and you are now looking at the file and it's actually already open and I've already unzipped it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to double click this file and I'm going to reveal the internal files. Now all those internal files, we are going to upload them to our server. Now there are two ways to do that and I'll explain that now. One way to do it, if you are familiar with cPanel, is that you can go to your file manager, and what you'll do is you will locate the file and you'll locate your public HTML file. And you're going to notice here that the directory is actually empty. What this means then is that you can now take your files and upload them using cPanel. Now that's actually one way to do it, and it's a little technical. We're going to use a program, if you don't have one already, called FileZilla. FileZilla is actually easy to obtain. All you have to do is Google FileZilla, and then you'll see the client download. You want to go to that page, and let's go there now. FileZilla is going to show you a client download. You'll want to download this client, and then a program is going to open up onto your hard drive. Once FileZilla is open, you're going to need some information from your host. You'll need to know your domain name or how your hosting company actually will use it when you want to FTP to your files, and you can actually ask your hosting company for this information. You'll need your hosting username and you'll need your hosting password. Once you have all three of those pieces of information, you want to click Quick Connect. Now, once you've done that, you will have accessed the inside of your website, and you are going to go to the public HTML file. You're going to double click there, and you're not going to see the files there, and that's actually where we are going to put our Turbo membership files. So you're going to grab the folder where those files are, and with FileZilla I can just pull this folder right on top of FileZilla, and I can grab all those files at once. I'll highlight them, and then I'm literally going to drag and drop them onto FileZilla where our server is, into that public HTML folder. So I'm going to grab all those files and drag them over, and then FileZilla is going to upload them to our site. Now once all the files have been uploaded, it's now going to be time to go to your web browser, and that's what we're going to do right now. Now the next part of the installation means that we're going to take this string that says HTTP server directory, and then it's got a little string there on the end. We're going to actually enter this into our browser. Now where it says server, that's what our website name is going to be. Where our directory, if we put Turbo membership into a specific subdirectory, we're going to put that directory in there. Now in this case, when we did this installation, we did not use a subdirectory, but you're perfectly welcome to do one. And if you do, you want to make sure that that directory name is in there when you put this string in. So once again, we're going to put our website name here. We're going to put the directory here if there is one, and then we're going to follow up with a / and then this string at the end. So let's go ahead and do that now. Now when I do that, Turbo membership is going to tell me that protection has now been initialized. Of course, again, if you had done a directory, that particular directory would be initialized in terms of the protection. Now what we have here is we have the URL, we have our username, and we have our password. Of course, if you have specific questions about the installation process, you'll actually find them in the README file, and I'll show you where that is right now. Now if you remember that set of files that we actually uploaded to our FTP, you'll actually see that there is a file there that says README. You can actually double click that file. It's a text document, and it'll have all of the instructions specific to the installation. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.